Everyone thought he was broke, but nobody knew he was secretly building his future.
Are you sure? Thank you so much!
Mom, I'm home! Ethan, welcome back. Are you okay?
Just tired from work.
The bills again?
We'll manage, sweetie.
Mom, you look so tired and I hate seeing these bills every day.
I know, sweetie.
You're already my little hero after school or something? Okay, let's learn this. For Mom.
Class, today we're exploring compound interest. This is how your savings can grow exponentially over time. If you save first and invest wisely, the money works for you.
Time to sell my art online. Uploading now. Yes, first sale. Awesome, thanks. Next piece, let's go. Whoa, a real order already? My first sale! This is actually happening! Yes! Thank you so much! My first sale! This is going straight into savings! I can't believe it! More art, more sales, bigger dreams! Ugh, my finances are a mess! Okay, budgeting basics. Let's do this. Track every expense. Get out for a real budget. Save and invest. I'm on it!
Oh, the bill. It's already paid? I was so worried. This is such a relief.
Mommy, thank you, sweetie. These are happy tears. I'm so proud of you, Ethan.
I want to help with the bills, Mom. I'll deliver these groceries after school. Whoa, Ethan! Still riding that rusty old bike? Dude, it's ancient. You should get a real like ours. Delivering groceries on that thing? Tough break. Investing? That's just gambling.
You'll never get rich that way. I believe in learning and growing. Focus on the basics. Compound interest is key.
That count.
Watching it grow, that's the power of consistency. Time to turn knowledge into action. Let's build this step by step. Every order counts. Let's check the latest figures.
Profits are skyrocketing! Yes! Yes, this is incredible! Mom, just grab whatever you want today. No need to check prices anymore.
Oh, Ethan, this feels so nice. Thank you, sweetie. How did you do this?
I can't forget what happened here.
Hey, loser! This seat's taken! Yeah, get lost, freak!
Their words still hurt. We all know how important education is, but it takes money to make those dreams real. Start saving now, even small amounts, so we can all achieve our goals without worry. Small habits change lives. Start saving today. Build your future step by step. This is for you.
Wow!
Thank you. It was worth it, Mom.
Oh, I'm so proud of you, Ethan.
All those empty luncheon. It was all worth it. Money didn't change Ethan. It revealed who he truly was. A boy who turned pain into power and sacrifice into a better future for his family.